just hold it.
Okay, so here we are at Magnetic Hill in Moncton, and I'm going to hand the camera over to Mom, and she is going to record the rest of this. So
you line up the back of the car with this white post, right?
Yep. Roughly. Whoops. Okay. Into neutral.
Neutral. Put up the brake. And just steer. Now, how do you want me to keep doing it this way?
Oh.
Go pretty fast.
I know. This is wild.
Want to try it front ways too?
I'm like not doing very well with steering the car, but oh my god, that was crazy. Wow. Huh. How about that?
That's something. Now I guess you gotta put it in reverse and do
Yeah.
the thing.
That was pretty nuts. We went down a hill and then we rolled back up it.
Yeah.
How about that? Magnetic Hill.